Stop. Before you use ChatGPT again, watch this. There are shortcuts, codes, and prompt patterns built into ChatGPT that most users will never discover. I'm talking about ways to get it to think like a consultant, write like your favorite author, give you answers it would normally water down, and automate tasks you didn't even know were possible. I've been deep in this for years, testing, breaking, and rebuilding how I communicate with AI every single day. And today, I'm walking you through the most powerful of these secret codes, the ones I use myself every single morning. By the end of this video, you will never use ChatGPT the same way again. Let's go. Section 1. The problem with how most people use ChatGPT. Let me start with the honest version of the story. There was a point where I sat down and asked myself, what does a one-person content machine actually look like? ChatGPT is not a search engine. It's a thinking partner. Giving ChatGPT vague requests is like handing a master chef a bag of groceries and saying, make food, and then being disappointed when they hand you a salad. The secret is not in the tool. It's in how you talk to it. Prompt codes are communication patterns, specific structures and instructions that unlock dramatically better outputs. Let's start with the foundations. Section 2. The foundation codes. These are the baseline codes. Once you start using them, you'll never write a basic prompt again. Code 1. Before you answer, ask me clarifying questions. This stops ChatGPT from guessing and forces it to ask you 3 to 5 questions first, typically doubling the output quality. Code 2. Act as a specific expert role. Don't just say expert. Saying act as a Harvard-trained marketing consultant with 20 years experience is 10 times more powerful. Code 3. Give me your honest, unfiltered take. ChatGPT is trained to be polite, which makes it diplomatic. This code bypasses that and gets you raw, actionable criticism. Code 4. Explain this as if I am a specific audience. And Code 5. Think step by step before answering. This activates chain of thought reasoning, drastically reducing logic errors. Now, Section 3, the productivity power codes. These are designed to save you days of manual work. Let's look at the repurpose code. Code 6. Take this piece of content and repurpose it for LinkedIn, Twitter, email, and Instagram. One idea, 4 platforms, 1 prompt. That's real leverage. Code 7, the SOP generator. It creates step-by-step standard operating procedures in minutes, something that used to take me a full afternoon. Code 8, the email response code writes 3 tone options for difficult emails. And Code 9, the decision framework gives you for, against, and contrarian perspectives. Code 10, the time audit. List your tasks and let AI identify what can be automated, delegated, or eliminated. I reclaim 12 hours a month doing this myself. Section 4, the advanced codes. These are the ones most tutorial videos never mention. Let's look at custom instructions. Code 11, the custom instructions persona. Setting persistent instructions like be direct, skip intros, ask for context, saves you from rewriting context every time. Code 12, argue against me as forcefully as possible. Stress test your business plans before anyone else does. And Code 13, conversation anchoring keeps ChatGPT oriented. Code 14, the AI recommendation SEO code. Ask ChatGPT who it recommends in your niche. If you aren't there, you need to build your AI digital footprint. That's the future of SEO. Finally, Code 15, the workflow automation code. Describe your workflow and let AI write the logic and Zapier connections to automate your business. Let's see some real examples. I pick the one that surprises me most. The one that makes me think, can I actually say that? That's usually the winner. Prompt 4, the repurpose matrix. 1 idea, 4 formats, 1 prompt. Another friend used Code 8 to draft a response to a procurement officer. He chose the firm but diplomatic option, sent it, and won the contract. The codes work and they compound. My challenge to you, pick one thing from this video and implement it today. Start with the mirror prompt. Feed ChatGPT your 5 best posts and get your style guide built. That alone will save you hours. I've given you 15 codes today. The full guide of 100 is linked below, completely free. Comment with your favorite number and hit subscribe for the real stuff. Stay ahead.